Last time, I explained the grounding operation process. In this episode, I will explain to you the operation process of the platform on the suspended basket. The first step is still to turn on these two switches. Last time it was for controlling the ground, so we turn the key to the left. This time, for controlling the platform, we need to turn the key to the right. First, pull up the emergency stop switch. This is the switch for starting the equipment. When you flip it forward, the equipment starts running. When performing any operation on this platform, you also need to step on the foot switch. This is the throttle control switch. This is the travel speed switch, which has two gears, high speed and low speed. The operation situations at different speeds will all be displayed on the screen. The signs are different for different speeds, and they are very easy to recognize. This is the emergency descent button. Once pressed, the telescopic arm will descend rapidly, which can effectively prevent property losses. It is mainly used to control the lifting, translation, and other movements of the basket by pushing it in different directions. The position of the basket in the air can be accurately adjusted. Just don't forget to step on the foot switch. Now, let me show you all. Control the suspended platform to rise through this joystick. Push the joystick to the left, and the suspended platform will rotate to the left. The same goes for pushing the joystick to the right. This is the boom lifting button. Press it upwards while stepping on the foot pedal, and the boom will rise. Press this button downwards, and the boom will start to descend. This button is used to control the extension and retraction of the boom. Press it upwards, and the boom will start to unfold. Press it downwards, and the unfolded boom will slowly retract. This is mainly used for controlling the leveling of the basket. When you press it upwards, the basket will tilt upwards, and the opposite is also true. This button is used to control the upward and downward movement of the basket. Press it upwards, and the basket will ascend. And vice versa. When you press it downwards, the basket will descend. This is used to control the left and right swinging of the basket. No matter whether you swing it to the left or to the right, the basket will try its best to swing to the maximum amplitude. This cable is used to connect this controller and the main unit of the device. Once the connection is lost, all operations on this controller will fail. If the foot switch is activated for 10 seconds and without any other operation, the handle will lock. Step on the foot switch again to start working. If you've got further questions, feel free to DM me.